In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix battery drain in iOS 26. Let's get started. First, launch your settings, navigate to the option General, click on Background App Refresh. You can disable for this option. This lets app run in the background, constantly using your battery. If this is turned on, all those apps are draining your battery even when you are not using them. Next, disabling always on display. For that, head back, navigate to the option Display and Brightness. Here you're going to find the option Always On. Disable for that option. Next up, manage location services. For that, head back, navigate to the option Privacy and Security, click on the option Location Services, disable for this option. Your phone may be tracking your location even when you are not using it. This also drains your battery. Likewise, head back to the main page of settings, adjust brightness. For that, click on the option Display and Brightness. From here, using the slider, you can decrease the brightness of your device. Likewise, review battery usage. For that, head back, click on the option Battery. You can see which apps are using the most battery. If you notice any apps running in the background are using more battery than expected, close them when you are not using them. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.